Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to reset your H96 mini, and we will see all in this video. So here at the device preference we will find reset. Let's go again to reset and we press erase everything. When you press erase everything, the box itself will start to restart. It will erase all the data and that will restart your smart box. Or the second option is here at the system. We'll find backup if you want to back up your data, or you can reset with these options. We have reset Wi-Fi, app preference, and erase all data. This is factory reset. If you press reset phone, erase everything, it will delete all the data that you had until now in the smart box. And this erase or factory data reset will solve a lot of problems, and I personally use sometimes if it's not working perfectly, and I saw a few of you guys use this if you have problems. So this is another option to factory reset your data. As you can see now, the system is starting. After it erases everything, the box is ready to use. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart box.